Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. And I'm here to talk about the top questions that people ask when it comes to starting a business. And I'm going to give you the answers. I started selling my handmade herb infused hair care products in 2018 and have since scaled to multiple six-figure years. Now I'm paying it forward. I'm incorporating two of my biggest passions, which are herbalism and product creation, as well as education. And if you want to take a deep dive, I created a course called From Passion to Profit, how I created my six-figure DIY product-based business and how you can too. So that course is available down below. Click the link down below. We're going to get right into it. The number one question that people ask when it comes to starting a business is, how do I come up with a profitable business idea? Think of 3 successful businesses. I can guarantee you that all 3 of those businesses are solving a need that people have. When I created my Love, Light, and Locks product line, I knew that people had the need of finding clean and healthy ingredients in products that work, solutions to hair loss, hair hydrators that keep hair hydrated for an extended period of time, and they want to achieve overall healthier, thriving hair, particularly for their locks. That was already a passion of mine that I was very skilled in, and it's a great practice for you to leverage your existing skill set and expertise and base your business around that. Leverage expertise to provide a real solution for existing problems. You can then validate the demand for your business by doing some research. Make sure that people are already paying for these solutions that you provide. Another very common question is, how do I find customers? First, it's really important for you to define who your ideal customer is in the first place. Define ideal customer avatar. Oftentimes, people think that if I provide a solution for the most amount of people, then that's good business. However, since there are so many businesses out there, it's really important that you differentiate yourself. One way to do that is by targeting a very specific person. My hair care line is primarily for people with locks. If my products were for everyone with hair, it'll likely get lost in the sauce. But people with locks are going to be looking for solutions catered towards them. So they're more likely to come across my products. So where are people looking for solutions for their hair care? They're looking across social media. They want to see people who have achieved their hair goals. They want their advice. They want the advice from hair care professionals. Hair care professionals, as well as real life everyday people who are talking about their hair journeys, they're on social media. And I guarantee you, whatever niche you are in, I'm sure there's a community for you all on social media. So you want to leverage social media. And how exactly will you be leveraging social media? You'll be creating content tailored to your ideal customer avatar. People looking for lock maintenance solutions are going to be looking up lock hair care routines on social media. So I'm going to be creating lock hair care routine videos on social media. So I can share my hair care routine, share the products that I'm using, and where they can find it. How much money do I need to start a business? So the answer to this is, it depends. Are you creating an online business, or are you creating a business that requires a brick and mortar or a physical location? If you're creating an online business selling your DIY products, for instance, then you don't need a brick and mortar, but you will need money for your inventory. So the ingredients to make the products, the bottles or jars, the shipping components like boxes and bubble wrap, for instance. You'll have to figure out how much that will cost for you, depending on how large you plan to start. If you're starting small, you will not need a whole lot of inventory to begin with. I started my business with less than $1,000. Many similar companies start with a similar investment. It doesn't take very much to get your foot in the game. However, that's not absolutely necessary at first, at the beginner level. A lot of business expenses you don't necessarily need to pay for up front. For instance, your LLC formation. You can do that as your company starts to bring in revenue. So the short answer is depends. It depends on if you're having an online business or if you're having a brick and mortar, and it depends on how large you want to start with your inventory. And the last question we'll be discussing today is, do I need a website? Now think about it. When you are researching new businesses, when you are looking for products, you're looking for their website. Why? Websites help your customers to build trust in your business. Websites add a layer of professionalism, which often comes with good customer service. We have these preconceived ideas about how a professional business moves and operates. In my opinion, the only time you don't need a website is if you're just trying to hit a lick. In other words, if you're just trying to make some quick cash. But if you want some longevity, then you want that website. Longevity. I dive deep into these questions and tons more in my course From Passion to Profit, which is now available for you to purchase. It's down below in the description. Check it out. If you're interested in turning your passion into profit, if you create handmade products, and if you're interested in making some extra income to cover some bills, or if you're interested in replacing your current job, getting a new career, and skyrocketing your income, this is a great place for you to start. I also have the option for you to book a one-on-one with me so I can personalize a game plan for you to succeed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Make sure you leave any questions you have down below. And make sure to head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and grab your herb-infused hair care products, especially if you have locks or natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.